In today's class, I will explain about access modifiers in Python. The Python provides three access modifiers: private, public, and protected. If the members can be declared as a private, those members will be accessible only within the class, not accessible from outside the class. If the members can be declared as a public, those members will be accessible within the class and outside the class. There is no restriction to the members. Okay, anybody can access the members. Members means either attributes or functions. Then protected. The protected members will be accessible within the class and its child class, but not from outside the class. But it will be accessed from outside the class also, but it is not advisable. Isn't it? Then I will explain you with the help of the example how the private and public, the protected members will be declared in Python. Then see the class, then person, then how the private, I would like to declare the constructor over here, then init, then self, because self is consist of three arguments. I would like to person name, person age, then person address. Then how the private data will be declared? The private data will be declared using the two double underscores, self dot, then two double underscore, name equal name. This name is totally different to compare with this name. This name is local variable. Okay, this name is called as private variable, private attribute, object, private attribute. This is also called as the class variables, isn't it? Next, self dot. Then what is single underscore is nothing but the protected. What is called age equal age. Then self dot without any underscores address equal then address. Here, this is called as private attribute. Private attribute. This is called as, what is this? Protected attribute. Protected attribute. This is called as public attribute. Please listen carefully. Yeah, if the before the variable name, if you are using the double underscore, that is called a private attribute. Single underscore, protected attribute without any underscore, that is treated as a public attribute. We will see how those attributes will be accessible from outside the class. Whether it is possible or not, we will see with the help of the example, then only you can understand easily. Then I would like to create the object to a class sample. Then P is object for a class sample person. While you creating the object to a class person, you must provide the three arguments, because the init method is consist of the three arguments. It is called as a constructor. Then when the constructor will get executed at the time of creating the object, then I would like to provide the three arguments. Then Mahesh is the first argument. The second argument age is 30. The third argument is also address. It is also belongs to string. Then Hyderabad. Then three arguments has been provided. The name belongs to Mahesh. The age belongs to 30. Then address value becomes Hyderabad. Then see here, I would like to access all these attributes from out. This is called outside the class. Then scope of the class is up to here only. Okay, I would like to put a space over here. Then only you can understand easily. See, then P dot print. Then name is what is called first. I would like to access the public address. Address equal. Then what is object name dot P dot address. Okay, how these members will be accessible from outside the class with help of the object. Then what is called address, isn't it? Then come back to the next. Then print what is called age of a person equal, then object name dot, then age. Here this is called as public attribute accessing. Okay, here it is called as what? Protected attribute access, but not advised. Please remember it. This is possible, but it is not advised. Generally, the protector members will be accessible within the class and its child class, isn't it? Then I would like to run. Then what is the output will be displayed by the interpreter? We will see. The address should be Hyderabad. The A should be 30 because I did not display the private variable. I would like to display over here. Then print. Then what is called name equal. Name is belongs to the private attribute, isn't it? Then what is called object name dot name. See here, I would like to run this module once again. Yeah, person object has no attribute name. Okay, this is the error will be displayed by the interpreter because it is a private attribute which is not accessible from outside the class. Then what is the error? The attribute error. Attribute error will be displayed by the compiler. Isn't it? Then, how it is possible? Okay, the private data will be accessible only within the class, which is not accessible from the outside the class. Then I would like to take another function, display. In that, I would like to display the what is called private data. It is possible. Then I would like to write the statement over there. I would like to put this statement as a comment. Yeah. Here, the statement used as a comment. Then what we have to do? I would like to access the display method from this. It is a public method because there is no such underscore has been used. Okay. Then I would like to call it by the help of the p dot what is called display. And p dot display. Then now it is possible. See here not self because it is a self. Okay, within the class we don't use the object. Yeah, now we got the value. Address should be address as displayed. The age is also displayed. Then now the name is also displayed because the private members will be accessible only within the class, which are not accessible from the outside the class. Isn't it? Clear it. Okay, that is a simple example about the private. But in such cases, I would like to put this method as a private. Now it is called as private method. Private method. Then how the private method will be accessible from outside the class? It is not possible. It is not possible. But in such cases, the developers used other syntax to access the private members from outside the class. But it is not advisable. Please don't try this. There is a such method is there, such technique is there to access the private members from outside the class. The syntax is there. Syntax is that object name dot, then class name, single underscore, then followed by the class name, then person. Then what is the private method? Yeah, if it is a first of all, I would like to access this method. Private method will be accessible from outside the class. It is possible or not, we will see. Now it is a private method. Okay. Then, yeah, the person object has no attribute. Okay. Previous also we have seen that error. Okay. The attribute error will be displayed by the interpreter. Then this is because it is a private method which is not accessible from outside the class. But in such cases, they'll be used to access the private members from outside the class. The syntax is that object name, the P is the object name, dot, single underscore, class name, the person, then display, underscore, underscore, display. Then by using this syntax, we can able to access the private members from outside the class. Now I would like to run the module. Yes, we got the answer. See here. The private data is also accessible from outside the class with help of that syntax. The name equal to Mahesh, we got that output. Please, but it is don't try this technique. Please don't try this technique. Okay, there is a such syntax is available to access the private members from outside the class. Okay, this is called as private, public, protected example. If you have any doubt regarding this example, please connect me through comment box. Thank you all for watching my videos.